I'm very pleased to have been part of this very important workshop. Let me say workshops because we already had another segment last week, which lasted 5 days before coming to this other segment, which has lasted 2 days. And I would say that it's been very edifying because the workshop has addressed very, very important issues, particularly this element of the elaboration of the action plan. Now, DDR been functioning for the past close to 8 years, and it was high time we, at the level of the centers, get a document which should be able to, give much more reason, much visibility in our actions. So much so that we can be able to effectively translate the spirit. We can be able to translate the spirit of the creation of DDR at the level of the communities, in terms of concrete action, in terms of disarmament, demobilization, and the reintegration phase into which we are entering. So we should, in all sincerity, thank BICC and the other partners. We had the Chad Basin Commission here with us. We had the various sectorials. We want to thank them for this very, very commendable partnership, particularly BICC, like I said, who have been with us a long time ago and who have come back again this time to particularly accompany us in the elaboration of this action plan.